Hi friends, good evening, good morning. Today I am here to discuss the query function as I discussed query function in my last video and explained how to use different columns and how to apply uh, the condition or use the where clause. And in the same sequence of the Google Sheet, because I am using SQL and query in Google Sheets only. Although there are many DBMMS, DBMS or RDBMS where SQL is executed successfully, and normally SQL is used there only. But the same features, rather some little features, less features, some less features as compared to main DBMS can be applied here. So let's move to our sheet. So here, this is a sheet. If you see this sheet, you'll observe this is a Google form and responses from the Google form. So see here the form responses. So there are many columns here. There are many columns, you know, like starting from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, and so on. There are multiple columns. And this time I am going to discuss query, query and SQL along with two functions like one is how to sort the data or how to use the count function, and foremost thing is the group by. So usually to sort the entire sheet we use sort function, sort function of Google Sheets. But this time I am going to tell you how to apply order by. Like if you see here, this is a register page. This register page is created from this form only. And see here, there are means the complete spreadsheet or the sheet complete sheet is sorted on the name, on the name column. But if you see the original data, then you'll find like this. It's not sorted. See, Arya Patel and this name, these values are not sorted. So I applied the sort function here. But I'm not going to discuss the sort function. I am going to discuss a query and I'll apply sort there. So see here in my new sheet, I'm going to create a new sheet, create a new sheet. The sheet is created. Now I am going to apply query function, query SQL and how to sort, but I'm not going to use sort function of the Google Sheet. Then how will I sort? This is the beauty of query function, that it allows you to sort the entire sheet or the entire data of the table. So this is, the sheet is also a table, the collection of rows and columns. So this is a table. So I'll apply sort function of SQL query here. So see here, my The sheet which I created is sheet 9. Okay, for demo purpose. Okay, and this time I'm going to create a sorted sheet of my responses. So how to apply sort function, or how to uh, perform the sort function or sort of the sheet, how to do it. So this we'll see here. So first step is to apply equal sign. So this is equal sign, then query, query, and put the parenthesis. And so it asks for the data, means the data source. So I am going to take the data from this place and taking data from here to here. And close the parenthesis. So how many columns are there? C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, and P. 14 columns I'm covering here. So either you use uh, the column name like L, M, N, O, or use call 1, call 2. So C1 column will be the call 1, and D1 column is the call 2. So either you use the column name of the Google Sheet or use call 1, call 2, and so on. So my data range is selected, and now I am going to apply the query. Query should be in the double quotes. So I'll apply select. So what columns do you want to select for this? So if I select column E, select E, comma, F, and say G, mobile number, that is H, then obviously mother's name is on J column, and father's name, proper father name, is on L column, and houses are on M column, and subjects are on N column. Okay, now I want to sort this on which column? On E column. So I'll apply order by here. Order by E column. Order by E. And my query is closed. And since it has one header line only. So I'll apply one, and my query is finished. Now press enter key. Or what is the error? Formula query. Oh, oh, so see here. See, it is better than, what? Better than mm, sort function and filter function also. If you see here, P16, there are only 16 rows selected. So I am going to take this bit more, or if I take, say, 41, because there are 40 students. 41, C1 to 41. Now enter. Now see, all are in alphabetical order. So see here, this one, see here, all are in alphabetical order. So this, the entire sheet and number of columns which I have filtered from um, the response sheet. And if you want to change the order, you can also change the order of the columns. If you see here, I want column E should be here first. I mean, from the left. After name, which column should come? E and mother's name. Mother's name. E is the name. Mother name is J, and father name is L. J, comma, L, comma, remove them. Okay. Now see what happens. So see here, student name, mother name, father name, date of admission, gender, mobile number, house, and subject combination. So this way the query function, and how beautifully this query function works, this is amazing. Correct. So this is one aspect or one function, that is order by. Now I am going to apply which function? I want to count the students of, from this range, students of PCM CS. I want to count. So is equal to query. So data is this. So my data is this. Select count. Which column? H column. Count H column. Where where H is equal to PCM CS, and I have only one header row. So one and close. So there are subject combination 31 are the students of PCM CS. Similarly, if you want to use any other combination like PCB PCB IP, and if you want to count PCBCS, just see what happens. No, there is no student of PCBCS. So PCB, and if I apply IP, there are 8 students, and if I apply PCB, PCMB, physics, chemistry, maths, and bio. Let's see. There's only one student. So this way, this query function works beautifully on the entire Google Sheet, and that is why I usually prefer to apply query function. I'll show you one example of the query and SQL. If you see, the students are distributed in different houses. From that sheet only, which response sheet, from that response sheet, I applied the query. See here, for Asoka house, page, the data source, select column 2 means the student name, where column 5 means house name is Ashoka. Correct? Or if I do not want to use -1, I can use 0 also, because I am not using uh, the header of I'm not using the header of my response sheet. And see here, the students are segregated into or distributed into 4 houses: Ashoka house, Raman house, Tagore house, Nehru house, only on the basis of the query function. So this way query function works. So today we discussed order by, and tomorrow or maybe next day in the next video I'll discuss group by. This group by will also be a very beautiful or you know important clause when you apply on any RDBMS or any Google Sheet. So hope you understood the concept of order by, because we can avoid sort function, and also using query you can have the selective columns. Selected columns means you want name first, use name, but in filter you'll have to think of. So this is how we can the apply the query function. And today I discussed how to use count, and in my next video I try to uh, include group by, and apply all the aggregate functions which are applicable to the group by sheet. So how do you like it? If you like this video, kindly share with your friends, and if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it, and press the bell icon so that you get the notification of the video as and when it is created. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye.